indicators that give zero-lag buy and sell signals. The truth is, the vast majority of trading indicators issue signals way too late, when price momentum is over. This results in opening a trade at a bad price. We have done our research and found a solution to this problem. The indicators we will show you in this video will not only give you the most accurate trade signals, but also avoid fake signals in a range market. It's time to say goodbye to all the late and fake signals and start making consistent profits right now. These indicators can be used in all markets including crypto, stocks, and forex. The most appropriate time frames are 5, 15, and 30 minutes. However, they can be used on higher time frames like 1 hour, and even daily with some minor settings adjustments. By the way, traders, if you're looking to take your trading skills to a completely new level, we highly recommend checking out TraderEdge. This app will save you a ton of time and money. With TraderEdge, you can backtest and forward test any trading strategy and get valuable insights about it. The majority of new traders skip the backtesting phase. That's the main reason they constantly lose money. Backtesting is super important because it gives you confidence in your trading strategy. If you don't know how to backtest, don't worry. TraderEdge will provide you with a free backtesting guide that has a $100 value. In addition, if you sign up today, you will get a premium course on how to build a profitable trading strategy and 4 pre-made strategy setups with a total value of over $300 for absolutely free. Besides the backtester, TraderEdge has a library of the best indicators and trading strategies that have been proven to work. Sign up for TraderEdge 7-day free trial. The link will be in the description below. In order to add these tools to your chart, head over to TradingView and open the price chart of any asset. Navigate to the Indicators menu and search for Super Bollinger Trend created by Xauusd. The Super Bollinger Trend Indicator is a combination of 2 popular technical analysis tools, Bollinger Bands and Supertrend. By combining these 2 indicators, Super Bollinger Trend aims to provide traders with a more comprehensive view of the market, accounting for both volatility and trend direction. By combining trend identification with volatility analysis, the Super Bollinger Trend Indicator provides traders with valuable insights into potential trend changes. It recognizes that high volatility levels often accompany strong price momentum. This can result in the formation of new trends or the continuation of existing ones. The Super Bollinger Trend includes 3 components: the Super Trend color line, zigzag, and buy and sell signals displayed as triangles. We will disable the lines in the indicator style. This way the chart will appear cleaner. The next indicator we will add is called Zero Lag SMA by VeryFid. The Zero Lag SMA indicator is a technical analysis tool designed to eliminate the lag that is inherent in traditional moving averages, providing a faster and more responsive signal for traders. The Zero Lag SMA is an improved version of the traditional simple moving average, which calculates the average of a security's price over a specified period. However, the conventional SMA has a drawback. It tends to lag behind the current market price, which can cause delays in generating trading signals. To address this issue, the Zero Lag SMA uses a more sophisticated calculation method that combines the standard SMA with a linear regression-based forecasting technique. By predicting future price movements and adjusting the moving average accordingly, the Zero Lag SMA aims to reduce the lag and provide more accurate trading signals. For better results, we will need to adjust the indicator's settings. So open the indicator's settings and change the Zero Lag SMA length to 100. Change the time frame to 15 minutes. For the last indicator, let's add a tool called RSI with self-adjusting linear regression bands by Xauusd. This indicator can be used in multiple ways, for instance, to find overbought and oversold areas, or to identify trends as well as pullbacks in trends. It consists of the RSI, the upper and lower curves, as well as the middle curve. When the RSI blue line crosses the lower curve to the downside, this signals an oversold market. When the RSI line crosses the upper curve to the upside, this indicates an overbought market. We will adjust its settings as well. The only thing we need to change is the opacity of the overbought and oversold zones. Alright, so how can we use these indicators together to get the most accurate trading signals? Let's have a look at the example of a long trade. For a buy signal to be valid, the following must be met. First, the price must close above the Zero Lag SMA. This is an indication of an uptrend. Second, the Super Bollinger Trend must give a buy signal. Third, prior to the buy signal, the RSI must be oversold. In addition, At the time of the signal, the RSI blue line must be below the middle curve. Do not open a long trade if the RSI is above the middle curve or overbought. If all the requirements are met, you can enter the trade. Set the stop loss below the recent swing low. With this strategy, target twice the amount you risk, or simply exit the trade as soon as price crosses and closes below the ZL SMA. Let's look at another example. In this case, the price closed above the zero lag SMA after this short-term bearish momentum. At the time of the crossover, the Super Bollinger Trend issued a buy signal. It's not necessary for the signal to appear exactly at the crossover. The only thing that matters is the position of the closing price against the zero lag SMA. If these two conditions are met, check the RSI indicator for final confirmation. If the RSI becomes oversold and the line is still below the middle curve, a buy signal is confirmed. Let's see how this trade performs. For sell signals, do the opposite. First, wait for the price to close below the zero lag SMA. Second, the Super Bollinger Trend must give a sell signal. Finally, to confirm the trade, look at the RSI. Prior to the signal, the RSI must be overbought. In addition, the line must be above the middle curve. If the RSI line is below the middle curve or oversold, ignore the trade. In this example, all the requirements are met. Set the stop loss above the latest swing high. Target 2 times the risk or exit a winning trade as soon as the price crosses and closes above the zero lag SMA. Let's look at another short trade which could have made you 20% profit with 10-to-1 leverage. This signal was issued on April 30th. The price closed below the ZL SMA, indicating a downtrend. The indicator produced a sell signal, and the RSI confirmed it. We could have opened a short trade here and closed it when the price broke above the moving average. Traders, we hope you understand this amazing strategy. If you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you want to see more trading strategies like this in the future, spend 1 second of your time liking this video. Also,